Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can add transitions to your clips on CapCut PC. Alright guys, here I have opened my CapCut application on my PC and I have created a project as well. And as you can see that I have imported some clips to my CapCut project. And we're going to practice how we can add transitions to these clips. So the first thing we're going to do is clicking on the transition option. Then you can select the transition that you want to apply to your clips. And for example, I'm going to select the light backed transition. And I'm going to search for the free transition. Okay, I'm going to select this one so we can download the transition first. Then after the transition has been downloaded, we can tap on this plus button to add this transition to our clips. Okay, now the transition has been applied, and if you want to adjust the transition, you just need to click on the transition like this. Then you can adjust the duration right here. Okay, and if you want to apply this transition to all your clips, you just need to click on apply to all. Okay, now the transition has been applied to all clips, as you can see. Now I'm going to play the video to take a look at the result. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can add transitions to our clips on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.